Hi Besties, I'm Jen.
And I'm Shannon. Welcome back to the Calm and Chaotic Connection.
We're best friends. We're completely opposites. Shannon is red and I am brown.
I'm very red right now.
Shannon went tubing this weekend and she swears she did SPF,
Twice.
but
This is mild compared to my legs.
this is not good. Please put SPF on whenever you think about it.
I put SPF 50 on. Mind you, I only use 30 on my face. 30. 50. I put it on before we left, and I put it on halfway through the trip.
That's what does the numbers mean?
The higher the number, the more better.
I can't tell.
I can't either.
Today,
Look at Ipsy.
so sorry it took 500 years to do Ipsy.
Still June in our world.
Yeah, tomorrow is no longer June.
Tomorrow's the 30th.
Is it?
Yeah.
Turns out mine took.
Hers got lost.
Lost. They did not even
lost.
play word games at all.
No.
They were like, sorry, your package is lost.
So they shipped her a new one. We don't know if she's got what she was supposed to get. We haven't written down any choices.
Don't even remember what it
know.
was.
We are in a new space.
Yes.
I've fully moved now. This is not the way the background's always going to look, but welcome to my new home.
We're a work in progress.
Yes. Don't know what the sound sounds like, so this is going to be all trial and error at this point.
Love us through this. Trial and error.
For June.
Mine is in a bag. They're like, we're not even sending the whole box.
Did you get the lady?
No.
You didn't get the lady book?
No.
Blend the rules. Turn up the color, take up space, make them look. Because beauty isn't about impressing. It's about expressing.
Sorry. She's beautiful.
Do we know who she is?
I don't.
No.
No.
Do you know who she is? We probably should know who she is, I'm betting.
You think we know who that is?
No.
We know who all of that is.
This was
June. So we were doing Pride in June, weren't we?
Was Ipsy doing Pride in June?
Well, look at... Yeah. Dew of the Gods, he's the LGBTQ.
Oh, yeah.
Kimchi. They're all, yeah.
We love to love, it says.
Formula Z, one kind. Did you know Dew of the Gods and Toy Factory are owned by the same company?
I know now.
I had no idea it was an LGBTQ company and it's owned by the same thing.
Let's get in here. So
Okay.
you get a sack now,
We now get a little papoose.
which is reminiscent of the old Ipsy, whatever it was called.
Extra. No,
it's extra now.
extra now. Always cute, perfectly fine, nothing special. Oh, wait, what's that?
It's based on Marilyn Monroe.
Yes.
Which I don't love because that means, let me tell you why. Not because I don't love Marilyn Monroe.
I was going to say.
But they're banking off of this. They're making money off of her. And her estate is not. Because she's been dead for so long that they can't.
A money grab.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I can understand your concern for that. I got it. Okay.
I mean, it's fine. Everybody does it.
I'm going to just start with the one that I wished I hadn't gotten that I'd remembered to cancel, which is going to be the Booty Boost. This is the Myriad. What is that?
Resurgence Retinol Youth Renewal Oil Drops. Which
you
might like.
I might actually use this. I like a
oil drop.
retinol and I love an oil. But Myriad is a safe company. It's not exciting to me. It's just kind of like, it does its job, and I'm not happy to see it.
It's not a booty boost that I would have been excited to get either.
No,
so I'm not sad that I didn't. We've got some things that are the same here. Let's do those first.
Ooh.
These are from Rodeo. This is their vitamin C drops, 6% vitamin C complex. I love vitamin C.
This is a brand that excites me.
Me too. It looks just like
Beautiful.
any other Rodeo packaging. They're kind of frosted glass. It is glass, by the way.
Is it?
Yeah.
Vitamin C, beta carotene.
Babasu oil and vitamin B5.
I mean, this sounds delicious.
I bet it smells delicious.
All
And we
right.
both got this. This is Tarte's Platinum Lights Camera Lashes. Here's what the wand looks like.
First of all, I'm excited about the wand. This is a brush wand. It's not like a spiky situation.
But this is not as fluffy as you normally would like.
No.
This is like somewhere between the spiky that I like and the fat one that you like.
Okay, but look at those lashes though. Like I'm hoping.
So I chose this. I remember choosing this one.
Me too.
Because I like the original. I've not tried the platinum one.
Is that
What? It's
is that the container or is it
Yeah.
inside?
well. There's a. I think this you can get this off, but this is the.
Oh, okay. So you twist and.
It stays in this.
Oh, okay.
Leather something vinyl. I like the original. I like the waterproof original. So I was kind of excited to see this, even though we just got new Tarte recently and got to try other new Tarte.
This will probably get put up for a minute, but it'll definitely get used. Tried at least.
Okay, now
Okay.
it's totally different.
Totally different. I have no idea what's
I'm just
what.
gonna go left to right.
Let's do that.
This is Fluttered Habit. She's Your Hype Girl Hypochlorous Acid Spray. I don't know if you can see. She's open because, of course, she's open.
Because of course she is. Yeah.
I'm sure it just is this. It's 137 degrees. It's just a. This is like. We got this in a trend mood, not this brand, but a hypochlorous acid, and it seemed gimmicky to us. People commented, said it's good stuff. Did you use the other one?
No, I did not. But this is all the rage. She's not much of a TikToker, but I
Is it
am.
trendy or is it good?
It is all the rage. They say for breakouts, back knee, it's good for like skin problems. So we're both going through the perimenopause situation, and I was hoping that because I had gotten one of these in another box, I was hoping that would kind of be helpful for me, was a hyaluronic acid.
So it says you can use it all over. Is this good for a sunburn?
Oh gosh. Anything to do that says acid with sunburn, I'm gonna,
scary.
yeah.
I don't know.
Someone will tell us, I'm sure of it. This is Dew of the Gods.
So you always get these, and you have a love-hate relationship with this brand.
There's only one thing that I have not liked, and that was the eye patches that you
That I
loved.
loved.
This is a deeply dragon fruit oil facial cleanser.
The Maui Glaze.
Maui Glaze.
Deeply cleanses and nourishes. Dragon fruit oil facial cleanser.
Oil cleanser. Like that had me. This is a brand that I like.
Should be good for
a lot.
washing off makeup.
Yeah,
It's a
like
little-
a first cleanse even,
Yeah.
really, if I wanted to. I like the brand. I like the company. I'm glad that I found out that they're a LGBTQ owned company and that I
Yeah.
chose them. I'm very happy about that.
Melts away makeup, sunscreen, and daily buildup while replenishing moisture and leaving skin soft, balanced, and glowing. Never greasy.
Yes, please.
Sounds lovely.
Thanks.
I got some bubble wrap things.
I see.
This is from Pinky Bee Beauty. We've seen a couple of times.
Yeah.
Their Hot Commodity, the Bronzer Palette.
Ooh.
I'm making this face because
You're not hopeful, are you?
no, I am I mean, it looks like hot chocolate, so like there's a part of me that's hopeful that it's similar to the Cocoa Contour palette from Too Faced.
I know.
That's my favorite.
It is. The one you can't get anymore.
But I'm not hopeful.
Okay, well, come on.
It is cute. It's got
very
things
cute.
on the back, so we don't know the bronzer palette, but I'm looking at these colors going,
They're a little bit warm for you, if that's true to color. Actually, Shannon Marie.
this might be okay.
Does it smell like cocoa, like you want it to?
No. I might actually not use this. And our friend Kaylee
Is getting married in August.
Getting married, and she's been looking for a good bronzer. She's very fair skinned, like I
Red
am.
hair. If you remember
Yeah.
her from Jamaica.
Yeah. So I might. She's borrowing my Cocoa Contour palette currently to see if she likes it. But if she doesn't, I might let her see if she wants to try this.
Yeah. I'm actually surprised.
it's not.
No, that looks actually really good for you. Yeah. Spot on.
The darkest ones might be a little bit dark.
Yep.
but yeah.
You could contour and bronze with that if you needed to.
I could. Okay. I'm less mad at it than I thought I was gonna be. I love that.
Love it. So I got the TYS Treat Yourself, Not Touch Yourself,
Not touch yourself.
Lychee Lip Butter in the color
Lychee?
Lychee. It's that fruit,
Yeah.
that Asian fruit. I don't know what color that says. Tea, in color
It says-
tea.
I think that tea was just the TYS.
Oh, okay,
Oh.
in color clear.
Yeah.
I mean, it's a lip gloss. I'm sure it's everything.
Shea butter infused lip gloss.
It smells very lightly candied.
It smells
Nothing
like a tropical fruit.
Yeah.
Which would be a lychee.
Oh yeah, duh. So I'm sure it's gonna be
It smells
fine.
nice.
Yeah, it smells fine.
It's clear.
It's clear. It'll be great. Stick it in my vest at work. Call it a day.
So my last item is a Big Daddy.
Ooh, I love Big Daddy.
It's a Big Daddy. Oh, it's from Moonslice Beauty.
Okay, we've seen
We've
that.
seen this
Yeah.
from an ice cream. An ice cream box.
yeah.
I think. It's just kind of nice to see these smaller independent brands.
Yeah.
Sometimes I know we complain that we've never heard of this brand and we're getting it at Ipsy, but at the same
They
time,
surprise us sometimes.
This is cute. This is the Celestial Crush eyeshadow and pressed pigment palette. Oh, it looks much brighter on camera than it does. Not that it doesn't look bright in person, but
So what do you think of that palette? Like
I am unsure. Let me tell you why. Because it's very much a color story for you. I think it's pretty, and I'm not gonna say I won't use it because I definitely love a gold bronzy moment. I definitely sometimes do pink and purple, as you see today. So this is a really pretty kind of bronzy color too. Okay, we're swatching it. We're swatching it.
okay.
We're probably not getting. Oh, yes.
Hello Pigment.
I'm not gonna swatch the whole palette today. This-
Wow.
Okay, let's see here. This is the color Romance.
Ooh.
Yeah, that's pretty. Starry.
Ooh.
Okay. Bronzy. These are nice. Groovy.
Yum.
So I'm gonna swatch the rest of these. Actually, that wasn't groovy, that was peony. I'm just gonna swatch the shimmers. This is grape soda. Yes, that is grape soda. And this one's a groovy. And Goldie.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's why we don't judge anymore.
Yep. I'm gonna swatch
Couple mattes. Yeah, I need to see couple mattes.
I swatched the 2 browns because they're gonna be the hardest probably to do in the palette. So.
Ooh, that's a beautiful brown. Kind of cool.
It's almost kind of purple.
Yeah. Okay.
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 Yeah. There's gonna be some beautiful looks that come out of this palette. And
I didn't expect that from that palette. I'm not gonna lie.
I'm already thinking of July.
Oh, did you see what July is?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. I like that.
I love when it's a good surprise like that and it turns out to be.
Holy cow. Okay. So my grand finale is Lucky Chick.
Okay, I've seen them a couple times.
I think I got a blush, maybe a blush
Or a-
stick.
Or a gloss.
Maybe. I can't recall. I love you. Lucky Chick brush set.
I love you.
I love you.
Okay.
Okay. I'm going to pull them out
You're
just
gonna
because I want
tear
to
them
touch them. They're pretty. I love an orange moment. Oh, orange and purple.
These are
Okay.
cute.
Hello. Yes. Oh, these feel nice actually.
Yep, they do.
Okay. So I like a brush that's tightly packed, soft, but not too soft.
This one's actually pretty tightly packed. This one's definitely a fluffer brush. But
Yeah, I like this one. Okay,
Yep.
yeah.
And it's on a little bit of an angle.
Yep. So these are going to be nice. I am definitely going to use these
Because we need more brushes in our lives.
because I need more brushes. Absolutely. Need more things to wash at the end of the month. Or week. I should be washing. Anyways. What do you think of your box, Shannon?
I gonna be honest with you, the only thing in my box that is questionable to me is the spray.
Well, I mean, you don't really suffer from skin issues or acne or
Right.
problematic skin. So I could see why you would be.
And I question if it's gimmicky or if it's good.
Okay.
You know what I mean?
Yeah. But I will tell you, it's all the rage on the
Yeah, but
Tic Tac.
so is the Dollar Tree.
I'm not really sure why you put me on blast like that, but it's true.
I know you're not surprised that I put you on blast.
No, not at all. She hates the Dollar General tree.
What did you get in June? Did your box get lost and show up in a sack instead of a box? Let us know in the comments. Make sure you like and subscribe and ring our ding-a-ling.
Ding the ring ling.
We'll see you next time.
Bye, guys.
Bye.